This short video is from August 6th. This is the Stearns female in her territory. And this is a tough one. This is her up at her nest tree. And this is just before lightning strikes the nest. Here a little juvenile red-tailed hawk flies in. And the lightning strikes right above the nest. Both the adult female up on the left and the juvenile red-tailed hawk are unconscious and hanging upside down. As you can see, the nest caught on fire. The adult female is moving her wings. She's somewhat conscious now. The juvenile red-tailed hawk had fallen, and here the female falls down but actually catches herself, and she's still probably part unconscious and trying to right herself, falls down to the lower branch, and finally she slips out of sight here. Almost 30 minutes later, an immature bald eagle, which we hardly ever see in this area, flies in to the nest tree and stays for about 30 minutes. Flies away as the now conscious adult female flies in, obviously okay, and basically chases this young bald eagle out of the nest tree. And there's the adult female there. And this is just taken about a mile or so away at the Monarch High School the day after this event.